Hello viewers, this is Ramakrishnan. I welcome you for SafeTech channel. Today we are going to discuss about manual handling of materials. This is new step for SafeTech channel. Hereafter we are going to discuss about more topics in HSE. Please follow our channel. Okay gentlemen, let's see the table contents. Introduction and risk management of manual handling, then hazard associated with manual handling, then common injuries and occupational disease, then proper manual handling methodology, use of personal protective equipment, job designed to prevent injuries. These are the contents we are going to discuss about today's topic. Let me go for an animation video for our easy understanding. Lifting is the common activity for all the industries. Many employees they not aware to reduce risk associated with the lifting activities. The common activities are bending, pushing and pulling, dragging the object. So these are the common activities or very painful back injuries. Repeatedly we are doing the activity, it is chances of back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, wrist pain. Back pain are the very painful and very expensive. Millions of dollars we have to spend for the medical expense. Using of mechanical assistance for handling the heavy load, it will reduce the human effort. And also the raising the load to minimize the bending, we can easily access the load, and also rotating the object which is very closer to the human. Okay, let me go for a detailed discussion about the manual handling. Manual handling is common activity in all the workplaces. It is including lifting, lowering, pulling, pushing, carrying, moving, holding, retaining an object. These are the common activities we are doing in the worksite. The injuries are back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, arm and the hand injuries. These are the possibilities for the injuries and wounds. It can be prevented through systematic approach of identification of the hazard and the assessment and control of the risk associated with the manual handling. So these are the things we are going to discuss about more in detail. Please continue the video up to the last. Risk management on manual handling. Assess the risk is the first step. Take all reasonable practical steps and also the assess the risk. Then eliminate any risk. First step, hazard identification. To identification of hazards, we use the two-step job safety analysis and the other one is risk assessment method. These two steps we are going to use in our site for assess the risk. Then step 2, assess the risk. How we will assess the risk? Risk level we will find severity and the likelihood. The level of severity and the likelihood we will obtain the risk level. Depends upon the severity of risk and likelihood of hazard occurring, we will get the risk level. Severity and the likelihood will explain you the risk level. Likelihood means how frequently the incident will happen. Severity means what will be the outcome if the incident happen. The risk level low and medium, high. How we can declare this? This is the matrix we can see. The first column is explain you the severity. The first row is explain you the likelihood. In this matrix we can easily declare the high, low and medium. Step 3. Select measure to control and reduce the risk. First, remove the hazards completely. Second, guard the remaining hazards. Third, mitigate impact of hazards. This is very main step hierarchy of hazard controls. Elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, and the personal protective equipment. Elimination, it means completely it will remove the hazard from the activity. Substitution, we are substituting with something. Engineering control, we are introducing some engineering measures to control the risk. Administrative control, by the management we are introducing something to control the risk. The principal employer, what are they in implementing on site. Then personal protective equipments, it is the last line of defense in the hazard control hierarchy. Lifting over 25 kg load can result of back injuries. Bending, rolling something and lowering the object. Potential cuts on fingers or puncturing something will result of hand injuries. Absence of grip to hold the load, obstructing the walkway and views can possible for the accidents. Skin exposure of chemicals, coolant oils, lubricant. Common injuries from mechanical handling: neck strain and the wrist sprain and back sprain, ligament problem, shoulder pain, upper back pain, then slip, trip and fall, cut injuries, puncture injuries, skin dermatitis for chemical exposures. Proper manual handling individual. Using lifting aids. These are the major things using lifting aids: trolley, conveyor system, forklift, and also hydraulic system, ramp. These are the major things we are using for the lifting aids. And the team buddy system for sharing the load and object using the rib. Selection of personal protective equipment: safety boot, then the helmet and the hand gloves and the apron, safety overalls, eye goggle, and the respiratory system using mask and the cartridge type mask. Then job design to prevent manual handling injuries. Team handling for heavy or odd shape loads. Braking to reduce muscular fatigues. And handler job rotation between heavy and light activities. Rearrange workplace to reduce twisting, stretching and stopping. Keep heavy loads around waist level. Use of mechanical handling aids. Package heavy material into smaller container. Provide handle for the box and hand strips instant for loads. Loads to be free from dust, oil, corrosive deposit. Sharp containers. Jagged edges and the rough surface. Provide secondary containment for chemicals to avoid the spill and the leakages and anything we will contain in the containment zone. Okay, let we conclude the lesson. The outcome, what we learned from the lesson: hazard from manual handling, common injuries and occupational disease, proper manual handling methods and use of PP, job design to prevent manual handling injuries. This is the main outcome we learned from this lesson. Musculoskeletal injuries and occupational disease is preventable. Be proactive. Thank you for watching our channel. For more information, please comment in comment section and subscribe our channel. Press bell icon for the latest update.